Hey everyone, welcome back to Step Up. Today we are talking about loose lay or lay flat vinyl flooring, specifically about how it works on a staircase. To start us off, what exactly is lay flat vinyl? Lay flat vinyl is a newer luxury vinyl plank flooring option. It does offer all of the benefits that you get from other vinyl flooring options, given that it is waterproof, it is scratch proof, and it is extremely durable. But what you will notice about a lay flat or a loose lay vinyl is that it is quite flexible or floppy in comparison to other more traditional luxury vinyl plank flooring. Okay, why? Good, bad, other? The reality is it's based off of how it is made. These vinyl plank floorings, they have a hard or a rigid core made out of a material that's going to add strength to them. That makes these really, really great if you have slightly uneven surfaces underneath, as this is going to give you stability there. Less need for, or no need for under padding because it has it right on it, and less need for kind of that leveling process. When using a loose lay, you definitely need level floors that you are putting them onto. Okay, you'll also notice that on a loose lay or a lay flat vinyl, there is no clicks. Okay, on traditional vinyl plank flooring systems, they have a click system. So the boards actually all connect together to make one solid surface on your flooring. The loose lay vinyl doesn't do that, okay? They simply lay tight next to each other and tight next to the walls on when they are installed, and the grip on the bottom uses friction to keep them in place. This can be a positive or a negative, depending how you look at it. If you are in a temporary situation, or if you ever need to replace a board due to extreme conditions and scratching, then the loose lay would be the best option for you. Okay, there's lots of information online, so definitely worth doing your research before you decide what flooring you're using. But once you have decided, if you are looking to continue your vinyl flooring from the floor onto a staircase, it's really important to understand what exactly that's going to look like with a loose lay versus a traditional luxury vinyl flooring. Okay, with a traditional flooring, we can modify all of the luxury vinyl plank floorings into stair nosings. Okay, and that is what you are seeing here. Our process creates these nosings out of the boards. This was this board. Okay, and so you will see that this click is still on it, and you are able to click another board right onto it and use that onto flooring at the top, or to finish a tread on a stair. You can see that it slides right on over a 2x10 there to make a beautiful finish. And you will see that based off of the science and the technology of the rigid core, once this has been modified, this is very sturdy, okay? This is not going to move when I put pressure on it, okay? And so this is going to last. Here at Step Up, we run all of our processes, all of our vinyls through wear tests to ensure that they would last through regular wear and tear for up to 20 years in your home. Okay, and so this traditional square vinyl is built to last, and we have tons and tons of customer reviews on it. Now, talking about loose lay vinyl. If we were to use the exact same process as I just showed you, this would be the result. And in theory, this looks really, really great, okay? But this board is done. This was made yesterday, okay? It is cool, it is set. But because it doesn't have that same core, it doesn't have in it what's going to set and harden like the other nosings do. And therefore, even though this is said and done, you can see it's not going to hold up. Okay? Yes, obviously I'm pulling on it, hopefully you wouldn't have that, but if you think about gravity and you think about it sitting on this nosing, okay, you can see that these bottoms are going to warp out, and these bends are just not going to be sturdy over time. If you think about having to store them for a few days before you install them, or installing them over a stair lip that maybe isn't perfectly flush or perfectly deep, this is not something that's going to hold up. And so this is not something that we sell, and this is not something that we are comfortable with. There are competitors out there who will do this process and just tell you to make sure you install it and glue it down very good. But according to our wear test, that is not something that is going to stand up. That is not something that is going to keep those crisp beds, and that's not something that you want to be doing. Okay, so here at Step Up, we do have a solution for you, not to worry. Our stair nosings for the loose lay or the lay flat vinyl look like this. Okay, they are a supported and reinforced stair nosing. You can see from the front and from the side, they have that beautiful crisp edge and finish to them. For that square shape, it looks the same as our traditional luxury vinyl plank floorings there. Okay, but what we've done is we've taken this exact lay flat vinyl. It's the same brand of vinyl. Okay, and in that process, we have added this reinforcement. Okay, it is a thin piece of material that is in here, and it is held securely in place. What this does is this reinforces these bends and these angles here, and it is going to create this beautiful firm finish for the nosing. And when it is installed, okay, it can slide right on top there. And it is going to give an absolute beautiful finish. As these don't ever have a click on them, you're simply going to lay another board next to them, okay, to create a full stair tread, okay, or continue onto your flooring at the top of the stairs. We do suggest on the stairs that you do still glue down this flooring. I know we say the traction when you are installing it in a full room, but on the stairs there is the exact same installation and gluing process that we have with our traditional nosings for these ones. So if you are looking at using loose lay or lay flat vinyl for your flooring and you want to continue it up for that seamless finish on the stairs, we do have a solution for you here at Step Up. We just wanted to make clear exactly what that is because we're getting lots of questions about it. And especially just warning, we want to make sure, I know because it is a floppy vinyl, a lot of people think, oh, put a hair dryer to it and I'll be able to bend it. We just wanted to give you that warning if you do that route about just how it's not going to last and it's not going to be staying quite as long. The lay flat vinyls are becoming increasingly popular. We're getting lots and lots of orders for them. This particular one is getting delivered to our installers tomorrow to be put onto the stairs. They do give you a beautiful finish. So it's not something to be shied away from if you are wanting to continue on the stairs. It's just something to be aware of what that stair process is going to look like, what that finished product looks like. I also wanted to mention when you do the installation with the lay flat vinyl, it is really important that you make sure of the fit. With our traditional luxury vinyl plank stair nosings, if you had a rounded stair or if you had a stair that was a little bit shallower and this vinyl stuck out a little bit or there was gaps underneath it, it isn't a problem because this luxury vinyl is so firm. It is able to support you. It's not going to creak. It's not going to make sounds when you step on it if there is a small space underneath. But with the lay flat or the loose lay vinyl, it is very, very important that there is a firm fit. So if you do have a rounded stair, you do need to cut off that stair to prep the stair before you install it. Also, if you have a very shallow nose, you are going to have to cut the lip off a little bit from the inside of here so that you're able to get a firm fit when you do that installation. So to recap what we've talked about, if you are looking at installing a loose lay vinyl on your floorings, you're going out to purchase, and you are going to want to continue them up on your stairs, these are the most important things that we've talked about for you to consider if the loose lay makes sense for you. First and foremost is that shape of that stair. If it already is a 2x10, if it already is square, so that you are going to be able to have a flush installation, that is key. If you do currently have a rounded nose front, just knowing that that is going to involve extra labor to cut those off to be able to do that installation to start with. The next thing to consider is the cost of these nosings. The reinforced nosings made out of that lay flat, loose lay vinyl, there is a higher cost than out of the luxury plank vinyl due to the extra labor involved of doing the reinforcement. Okay, so something to consider when you are looking at the cost. Often salespeople in the stores are going to push you to the loose lay because it is less expensive. So just reach out to us and we can give you the cost and you can make that consideration. And then of course all the other things that you're going to put into that consideration for your lifestyle and your installation for the overall flooring and the installation and ease of with that. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have absolutely any questions or comments, please throw them down in the comment section below. Reach out to us on our website here using that contact button that's available to you. We would love to hear from you, questions, and reach out to us if you'd like us to make those nosings for you. Please, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. We really do appreciate all of your support. Have a good one.